Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we would like to present our group report on qualitative research case studies. This presentation was prepared by Group 9, consisting of Kian, Diana, Aldhi Teguh, Mohamad Ajiad, Ramzy, Sena. In this presentation, we will explain what a case study is, why it is important in qualitative research, and how it can be applied in practice. Next, please. Okay, to begin, let's first understand what qualitative research. Qualitative research is a method that focuses on understanding human experience, social interaction, and cultural event. Unlike quantitative research, it does not rely on numbers, but instead explore meaning and context from the participant perspective, according to Denzin and Lincoln 2011. So, this makes it very useful when the topic is complex and cannot be explained by only with statistics. Next, one of the most important approach in qualitative research is case study methodology. According to in 2018, a case study is an empirical inquiry that investigate a contemporary phenomenon within its real-life context. This means that a case study helps researchers to explore the subject in depth, whether it is a person, a group, and organization, or even an event, according to Stake 1995. So, I also highlight that case studies can be intrinsic, instrumental, or collective, which makes them flexible for different research purposes. In this report, our objective is to review how case study methodology is applied in qualitative research. We will explain its main ideas, practical use, and implication. To make it clear, the report is organized into six sections: introduction, literature review, methodology, case study example, discussion, and conclusion. Next.
Okay, thank you, Ajiad. I'm here. I want to talk about literature review about case study. Like as said mentioned, was mentioned, Ajiad, case study is a research to or the process to investigate about a subject, an event, or an organization. To case study are used like a business, social sciences, and healthcare. The study may focus on one observation or many. It can also to examine series of events or a single case. An effective case study tells story and provides a conclusion. And here, key points from the literature. The study research widely used in psychology, education, social sciences, and applied sciences. Playberg 2011. For the debate continues whether it is type of research, a method stake, Simon, George, and Bernard Gehring. And we have relevant theories or a concept about case study in research theory. We have theory roots. It is interpretism, phenomenology, constructivism, for Torgen 28, and use analytical generalization instead of statistical generalization, method 1998 and Yin 2009. And for example, from the previous case study, we have Freud and Piaget. It is Institute of Psychology, and Miriam. And Miriam focus on education, and also Thomas focus on hospital rules showing contextual differences. That's all, and next presenter will be delivered by Aldi.
Yeah, thank you, Kian. After we are talking about literature review, next we move to the methodology. This study employs a qualitative case study approach, which is designed to provide an depth understanding of particular phenomenon within its real-life context, and is stated by Ian 2023. The case study is particularly valuable when the boundaries between a phenomenon and its context are blurred, and when multiple data sources are required to generate a holistic perspective. Data were collected through three complementary techniques. The first one is semi-structured interview, were conducted to explore participant experience and perspective in detail, while allowing flexibility to probe emerging issues. And then second is observation, were carried out in natural setting to capture behavioral and interaction as they occurred. And finally, document analysis. It is including institutional records and relevant archival material was undertaken to triangulate data and provide contextual depth. Using multiple source ensure methodological triangulation which strengthen with the credibility of qualitative findings. And the data were analyzed using thematic analysis, a flexible method for identifying, coding, and interpreting pattern with qualitative data. It's stated by Brown and Clark 2006. The process involved repeat reading of transcript, file notes, and document, followed by coding and clustering into themes in line with in 2023. Pattern matching was also considered to connect empirical findings with theoretical proposition. This combination of inductive and deductive strategy allow for a comprehensive understanding of the case while ensuring analytical rigor and credibility. And the next discussion will be about example case study will be delivered by Ramzy.
All right, let's move to the case study. The Joypur Hatra Cadet College in Bangladesh with 326 students. The case study at the Bangladesh Joypur Hat by Parpin 2023 Girl Cadet College or GGCC explored that the mental health issue that the teenage girl who lived apart from their family in a strict setting encountered, with 326 cadet students applying problems including homesickness, anxiety, study stress, and exam phobia were shown to be a major concern. And this problem can occasionally worsen and lead to serious results like a suicide attempt. The institution shortage of a mental health specialist is indicative of a larger national issue, as adequate mental health care is frequently unavailable in the Bangladesh rural areas. For the key finding is the study methodological approach was participatory action research combined with a mental health literacy or MHL. So the framework is strategy emphasizes collaborative involvement of a teacher, parents, and student by creating professional learning communicate or PLCS. All right, let's move to the interpretation of result from case study. It reveals both psychological struggle of student and structural healthcare and gaps. The case study methodology is an effective strategy in a qualitative research because it provides deep insight into a complicated situation in the real world by context. As demonstrated by a Joypur Heart Girl Cadet College or GGCC in Bangladesh, the case study can reveal not just the presence of a mental health disorder, but also institutional and societal gaps that contribute to this issue. By using several methodologies such as interview, observation, and document analysis, for the study ensure triangulation and trustworthiness, and furthermore, the utilization of participatory action, research, and the mental health literacy or MHL. So the framework emphasized that the value of the collaborative engagement between teacher, parent, and student. This highlights how case study not only identify as a problem, but also offer a venues to real solution. Despite objection about generalizability, case studies are effective at producing contextual understanding, providing theoretical insight, and impacting policy and practice in education and mental health. All right, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you for our friend. Okay, for conclusion, to conclude our presentation, qualitative research is a powerful approach to explore human experiences and social context in depth. Within this tradition, case study with methodology plays a central role because it allows researchers to investigate real-life situations and gain detailed insight that statistics alone cannot provide. So, through this report, we have reviewed the meaning, significance, and practical application of case study methodology. We see that it offers flexibility, contextual understanding, and valuable implication for research. So, finally, we hope this study can help us and other researchers better understand how to use case study methodology effectively in qualitative research. Okay, this is our references. Okay, thank you very much. That's all from our group presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.